Understand the definitions of ionic and covalent bonds. Ionic bonds are electrostatic attractions that occur between oppositely charged ions, typically a metal cation and a nonmetal anion, or involving polyatomic ions. Covalent bonds are formed when nonmetal atoms share valence electrons with each other. Identify the structural prerequisite for having both bond types. For a single compound to contain both ionic and covalent bonds, it must be an ionic compound that contains at least one polyatomic ion. Polyatomic ions are groups of atoms held together by covalent bonds that collectively carry a net positive or negative charge. Analyze the bonding in ammonium chloride. NH4Cl ammonium chloride is an ionic compound composed of the polyatomic ammonium cation, NH4 to the power plus, and the monatomic chloride anion, Cl to the power negative. The electrostatic attraction holding the NH4 to the power plus cation and the Cl to the power negative anion together in a crystal lattice is an ionic bond. Within the polyatomic NH4 to the power plus cation, the central nitrogen atom is bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms through shared electron pairs, which are covalent bonds. Because both bond types are present in this single substance, NH4Cl contains both ionic and covalent bonds, making option E the correct answer. The correct answer is option E, NH4Cl.